Here's a quick summary of how to edit your contest description on Cad Crowd. You can edit your contest clarification notes, add additional attachments, and extend the end date for your contest, as well as adding general contest comments to help clarify the scope of the work. Because designers typically have already started working on the project, the initial design scope and file attachments can't be changed except under extenuating circumstances. You can add text to your project page by clicking the Edit Project button and add attachments with the Manage Attachments button. To get to your project page, to do that, you simply log into your dashboard. You'll be pushed to this page once you log in. You click the Projects tab. Once you're on the Projects page, you simply select whichever contest you want to add the additional information or files to. So we click into this demo contest, and we can scroll down, and for the editing text you just click Edit Project and walk through the prompts, including the ability to add additional prizes, increase the prize amount, and change the visibility settings for the contest. In addition, to manage your file attachments, all you have to do is click the Manage Attachments button to revise the attachments attached to your design contest. If you have any issues or have any additional questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot.